Becoming a brand ambassador for a local business or organization might just be a solution to your "I need cash fast" situation. So you need more cash, but you've already cut your budget and stayed in more times than you can count. Fortunately, there's another way to find extra money, and that is to earn more. Finding a fun side hustle may be the key to managing your budget mess. Side hustles are an amazing way to grow your income, tackle debt and increase savings. One amazing side hustle that's often overlooked is becoming a brand ambassador. Have you ever considered trying this? Before watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Okay, let's get on point. Becoming a brand ambassador. If you're interested in becoming a brand ambassador, there are a couple of ways to break into the market. Join a brand ambassador Facebook group in your town if one exists. Look in the events or marketing area of Craigslist to see if they are looking for a brand ambassador. Never share your information online until you've verified the business or organization is legitimate. Brand ambassador work is great because the pay range is typically much more than minimum wage. Once you begin working as a brand ambassador, ask others about reputable companies to work with in your town. Be aware that most brand ambassadors are considered contractors and are responsible for reporting and paying taxes on earned income. After you land your first gig, you can create your brand ambassador resume so you can begin booking a couple of events a week. Work tends to be more active from spring to fall, when there are tons of outdoor events, trade shows and conferences happening. Why the work is great? This type of work is great for the person who lives in a mid to large size town with plenty of events going on. Brand ambassadors basically do the following. They market a product, organization or information to the organization's ideal client. Pay range is typically much more than minimum wage. I've seen postings with payment falling between $13 and $35 an hour. However, the average rates I've seen tend to be around $20 an hour. Being a brand ambassador is a great way to create a nice stream of income simply by sharing information about the company with future consumers at events and festivals, such as handing out a food item, running a game or handing out cool pieces of swag to increase customer brand awareness. Give it a shot. Maybe you can add being a brand ambassador to your other freelance work, or just do it part-time for bonus cash. There are tons of other ways, of course, to make extra money and have fun doing it. Figure out the best way to make as much money as you can in as short a time period as possible and go for it. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.